In today's video, we will find out how to use the law of attraction to attract more money. If you are new to my channel, my name is Unwana Udo. My mission is to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. Did you know that there is a science to manifesting money? Did you know that there is more money in this universe than ever before? Did you know that it is easier for anyone to become a millionaire faster than ever before? Why are so many individuals experiencing a lack of money? Most individuals do not have any clue how to harness the law of attraction to attract money. By the end of this video, you will learn how you can use the law of attraction to bring more money into your life. When you have a better understanding of money at its most intricate level, you will realize that you are never poor. It does not always take money to make money. It is not always a requirement to work extra hours just to make more money. To attract more money into your life begins with your relationship with money and what money means to you. You might feel that you can never be rich or wealthy, or in order to be rich and wealthy, you have to engage in illegal activities. Some individuals think if they just have enough money to pay for their basic living expense is good enough for them. Every little thing in nature nonetheless is plentiful. There is so much abundance today for anyone to live the life they want. Whatever you can think of, you can create. This can happen consciously or unconsciously. Our subconscious mind has been programmed from an early age. Sometimes we are not aware of how we think of money. You may have heard these expressions: the origin of all evil is the desire of money, or he or she is filthy rich, or rich individuals are crooks, we are not the Rockefellers, and so on. In order to attract more money into your life, you must change the way you think of money. Think about how money has helped people after natural disasters to restore their lives and homes. Think of how many lives have been impacted by the healthcare system thanks to money. There are essentially millions of ways in which many lives have been impacted thanks to money. There is nothing wrong with having money, but unfortunately, most of society lacks the discipline and knowledge to manifest money. An effective way to attract more money is to use positive affirmations. Here is an example of an affirmation you can use right now to transform your financial position. Money is great, I attract money into my life, I am a money magnet. You can make your very own affirmations that will help you along your journey. These affirmations will certainly reprogram you to think differently about money. Another effective method is to have a vision board with pictures of money on it. Increase your knowledge on personal finance and wealth creation. Make sure to check the description below for more resources on how to dominate your personal finance and grow your wealth. If you find value so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Make sure to get the right knowledge when it comes to saving or spending money. These will certainly help you to attract more money into your life. You must also incorporate some form of meditation into your daily routine. Meditation has been shown to help reduce stress and increase overall well-being. So make sure to meditate. Set SMART goals to bring in even more money into your life. SMART is an acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So next time you set goals, remember to use SMART. The law of attraction will only work if you apply these techniques and put in the effort. Bring the money you desire into your life with the power of your mind and the law of attraction. It is true no one needs to have money issues, but the methods we adopt regarding money consciously or subconsciously will bring us the equivalent results. Most times we are not aware of the way we think about money. Like everything in life, there is a foundation and greater levels which go beyond there. There are many people, when introduced to the law of attraction, think all that is required is to wish for money and it will magically appear. Then there are those who hope for more money and think they understand how the law of attraction works and continue to work hard without achieving any results. These individuals lack focus, and lack of focus means lack of power. Your knowledge of the law of attraction is the base. However, there are many levels that enhance your application of the law of attraction. Once you put in the effort to study these levels, you can apply them to anything. You must begin by seeing money opportunities all around you. The more aware you become of how money exchanges hands and how it flows, the more confident and skilled you will become in attracting it towards you. It does not require large sums of your own money to get the law of attraction to manifest more money. You must challenge yourself to learn the universal laws and then apply your knowledge of money to those universal laws. How many ways can you make money that does not require you to spend a single penny? Countless ways. You can start making lots of money once you understand the innermost nature of money and how it interacts with your reality. If you found value so far, hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and while you are at it, Tap on the notification so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check the next videos on the screen. They contain information you will love. Take care, and remember, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.